I will now demonstrate to you the use of the rapid diagnostic test to diagnose G6PD deficiency from Carestart, which you will have received. The test is a lateral flow assay that provides a result within 10 minutes. There are a number of limitations to the test. While it looks quite similar to a malaria RDT, it does not provide a control line. However, there are other ways to assess whether the test has actually worked well or not, which I'm going to show to you. So in a first step, you need to make sure that you have everything. You then need to collect capillary blood from your patient. That's a total of 2 microliters. You can do so with a pipette that is included in the test kit. This pipette has a line which you can roughly see here that indicates once you've collected 2 microliters of blood. The test is fairly sensitive to volume, so ideally you should make sure that the volumes that you use are correct. The sample is then being added to the sample well, which you can see down here. This is your reading window and this is your control window. Now, your test is invalid if your blood sample does not progress through the reading window within 2 minutes, and you can see some blood up here. Next, you add 2 drops of buffer, you can see over here, to the buffer well down here. The buffer blood mixture then starts to migrate across the membrane to the control window up here. If you do not see blood appear in the control window within 2 minutes, then the test is invalid and needs to be repeated. The entire test takes 10 minutes and ideally should really also be read within 10 minutes, not before and not much after that. As you can see here now, this is a G6PD normal result. You can see that the result membrane shows a purplish colorization, whereas this is a G6PD deficient result where you do not see any color change. Occasionally, you will find a very faint color change over here, and this would also be considered a G6PD deficient result. Here again it becomes clearer. You can see a G6PD normal result here and a G6PD deficient result over here. You can also see that the blood migrated through the entire membrane within 2 minutes. The test and all of the supplies will then need to be considered biohazardous and need to be disposed of accordingly. Thank you very much.